And once again, welcome back to ShadowFoot.net. I am Panda, and today we have an unboxing for the Bernzomatic Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. Now this we got at Lowe's for about $30, and it looks like it's going to be a good product, just judging by the fact that it's nicely presented in a case inside this box. So without further ado, I'm going to be opening this bad boy and showing you what's inside. Now what's inside is a toolbox. Inside the toolbox you'll find everything you need to do all of your repair projects, your hobby soldering, and putting together like small circuit boards. It looks like it's a really good product, and Bernzomatic has been around since 1876, so you know they make some good stuff. Without further ado, I'm going to be taking this bad boy over to a workbench so that way we can fill it up with butane and get rolling on some review. Alright, so here we are at the workshop so I can demonstrate to you this Bernzomatic Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. Everything you see here in the box is what comes with the gun. You get 2 soldering tips, 1 right angle tip, and 1 sealer tip. You also get a heat shield, which is great for heating up small pipes, a sponge for wiping away messes, some electrical solder for hobbyist work, and a heat shrink shield for doing heat shrink on some wires. Of course, the primary reason you're going to be getting this tool, though, is for soldering. So that's going to be the first thing I'm going to demonstrate by tinning a wire. For a tin a wire, you got to make sure it's completely clean of any sort of contaminants. So you're going to be dipping it in flux, even though it comes with rosin core solder. Everything works better with flux. I've already filled this bad boy. All you got to do is align the nozzle on the butane can with this thing right here, and make sure you press down firmly so that way it doesn't leak. Once you have it filled up, all you gotta do is push this little button right here, push that trigger down, and it'll start right up. If you want to keep it on without holding the trigger, take this little switch right here, slide it towards continuous, and it should stay on. Like that. This is for adjusting the intensity of the flame from minimum all the way to maximum. Self-explanatory. However, to the wire you gotta be pretty still with it, so I'm going to take this and use that to hold it down, kind of. Now this wire's already been fluxed, as you saw me dip it into flux earlier. Take your solder, extend out a line for yourself, and start heating up the wire. Now notice that because this wire's been fluxed, it sucks the solder right up. There you have it. That's going to be the first use you're going to have out of this thing, is tinning wires and soldering circuit boards. Another such use requires me to actually take this tip off. Because not only is it a soldering gun, it's also a heat gun too. So let's say you've soldered 2 wires together and you want to have a nice firm job when you're done. Oh, that's where this stuff comes into place. This is heat shrink. You can get it any sort of electronics store, repair store, or even online. Just slip it on. Turn on your torch. Gently heat the sucker up. That's how you do heat shrink. The difference between these and regular electric soldering irons is that these are extremely versatile and powerful. And they will heat up in seconds. Which is why I like this guy. Heats up in seconds, does a fast, quick soldering job, no complaints. It is definitely a butane cordless soldering torch. And with that, I'm Panda signing off. We will see you on the next one.
You liked that, didn't you? Well, there's more on Patreon. There'll be things that can only be seen by supporters. Go to patreon.com/ShadowDragon.
If you want to be a part of the action and reach out to us, you can come join us on our Discord channel. All you have to do is go to SHADOWFOOT.net and click on the Discord button.